Hello, everyone. Jason and myself here talking about what we're going to talk about next week on March 30th. We're going to kick it off by talking about iOS versus Windows mobile devices out in the field. I prefer iOS, Jason prefers Windows, and we're going to talk about the differences between the both, utilizing them out in the field and how we could benefit with mobile devices. And before you go out and acquire one, why not know the differences between the both? I myself prefer the iOS version, and Jason prefers the Windows version.
Absolutely. So we've got iOS versus what apps are available on Android versus what's going to happen on a Windows mobile device, like a Surface Pro or something like that. We're going to go through all of those things and compare what your options really are.
Yeah, so join us next week, March 30th. Come in a little early, around the 15-minute marker before. Again, it starts at 8:30 CST. Come in at about 8:15. Join us for some coffee talk or any kind of banter you want to talk about. And then right at the 8:30 marker, we will kick it off and do the showdown.
We're looking forward to it. After our showdown, of course, we'll open the floor to questions. So if you have any questions, want your everyday Bluebeam questions answered, bring them. We'll come talk about them on Tuesday.
Thanks, everyone. Hope to see you there.